Creating a flattened view on your drawing is easy when you use the View palette. However, on occasions the flat pattern view is not available. In most cases, the issue can be found on the parent part. If your part has a non-sheet metal body, the automated sheet metal view does not work. To verify that this is the issue, suppress the remaining bodies and refresh the View palette to see if it is now possible to create the view.